Okay, let's just do an overview review of graphing, and that'll get us ready to start this next chapter. So we're going to sketch a graph of 2x plus 3y equals 6, a linear equation, without the use of a graphing utility. Okay, so there's a few ways to do this. One way is for any equation, just plot points, use a table. Okay, so let's try that. So here we go. Let's just say we have an x and we have a y. You can pick 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can pick -1, whatever you want. This is really up to it. So I'm going to go ahead and 0, 1, 2, 3. And then you just plug in 0. So it'd be 2 times 0, where the x is. So 0 plus 3y is 3y. And divide by 3. Okay. If I have 2 times 1 plus 3y equals 6, so minus 2 from both sides, 3y equals 4, and that gives me y equals 4/3. Yeah, fraction, huh? Let's try 2. 2 times 2 plus 3y equals 6 minus 4 from both sides. 3y equals, here's another fraction. Okay, I'm not liking this, my favorite. So, well, let's try, let me separate these out. Let's try one more. 3. And that's 6, so minus 6 from both sides. 3y equals 0. Oh, I like this one. Divide by 3, y equals 0. Okay, so I have 4 points. Go with green. Okay. 0, 2, 1. 4/3 is 1 1/3, about right there. 2 2/3 is about right there. And 3, 0. Well, they're linear, and every point in between. So there's my line. All right, success. Let's go see about the next way to do it. Now, if I see if I can get the blue if I want it. All right, now let's do this with using the intercepts. Okay, so suppose I just take this 2x plus 3y equals 6. And this is actually a very good method for this particular problem because 2 and 3 both divide into 6. And that's the only time I would use this, because you'll get whole numbers. But all right, so what we do is we do the same thing, only we just get 2 points. We said when x is 0, what's y? And when y is 0, what's x? And those are my 2 intercepts. And so we'll put in a 0 for x. So 2, 0. Actually, we have those over here. But this way, we just get the points, if you notice, the ones that come out to whole numbers. And that's only because these two numbers divide into 6. And so then if we put a 0 in for y, so this is a little bit different, okay? Then I would get 2x plus 0 equals 6, or x equals 3. So far, wow, I'm liking that. And then we just do the graph with 2 points. So 0, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 0, and I get the same point. Sometimes they do a checkpoint on the third one. Okay, so I'm thinking a little bit less work there. All right, how about the last method, which is, just to remind you, slope-intercept form, okay? That would be y equals mx plus b. So if you take any line, and like I said, this one is rigged, 2 and 3 go into 6, any line, and you solve it for y, it's in slope-intercept form, okay? So I'll remind you how to do that. So let's move the x term to the other side, and I get 3y equals -2x plus 6. And then we'll divide by the coefficient of y. So those cancel, and I get -2 over 3x. and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now, this is in slope-intercept form. So let's go to the graph. Same equation, should be the same graph. We're going to start if at x equals 0, and our y-intercept is 2. So we're going to start at 2, and the slope is negative 2/3, which means I go down 2 over 3. So down 2 over 3, sure enough. See, I have the same line as the other two. They're all the same line. Okay, so that's just a reminder of how to graph linear functions. And you will have other functions to graph as well for this assignment. There is no web work assignment on this one, but this will help you do the worksheet.